another DIY for you. So if you guys are interested on seeing how I created this, just keep on watching. I'm going to be taking this cake tray from the Dollar Tree. So guys, I had a couple of extra pieces of that MDF board left over, and so I'm going to be using this. It is left over from that Valentine's Day video. It's actually my last video I posted, so if you guys have not seen that yet, definitely go check that out. I'm going to be using these Jot magnifying sheets from the Dollar Tree. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with these beads, and what these are is just necklaces from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be taking this mirror from Dollar Tree, taking my glitter. This is my jumbo glitter as well as my extra fine glitter. Okay, so now I'm going to take my mirror here and just attach it to my plate to complete the look. Taking these two mirrors that I had left over from another project, and these are just Dollar Tree mirrors. I'm also going to be using these tea light holders from Dollar Tree as well. You all today. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this little video. If you have, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, as well as hitting the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.